How to set goals and achieve them, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel where we inspire you to become the best version of yourself. In today's video, we're going to talk about a life-changing topic, goal setting. Have you ever felt overwhelmed with your dreams? You know what you want, but you're not sure how to get there? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step strategy to set powerful goals and achieve them. Step 1. Define your vision. Start with the big picture. What's your ultimate dream? Where do you see yourself in 1 year, 5 years, or even 10 years? Here's a tip, write it down. Maybe you want to be a YouTuber, launch your business, or get healthier. Whatever it is, be bold and dream big. Example, imagine saying, I want to build a motivational YouTube channel with 1 million subscribers inspiring people across the world. That's your vision. Step 2. Set SMART goals. Your goals need to be specific, clear, and detailed. Measurable, trackable progress. Achievable, realistic, relevant, aligned with your vision. Time-bound, a clear deadline. Example, instead of saying, I'll work on my YouTube, say, I will post 2 high-quality videos every week for 6 months. Boom! You've got a SMART goal. Step 3. Break your big goals into actionable steps. Big goals can feel scary, but small steps are achievable. For example, if you're making videos, your steps could be research ideas for 1 day, write a script for 2 days, film and edit for 3 days, and then publish and share it. Tiny steps add up to huge results. Step 4. Track your progress and stay accountable. Write your tasks in a planner or use apps like Trello or Notion. Check in with yourself every week. Are you on track? Also, find an accountability partner, someone to share your progress and cheer you on. Step 5. Be ready to adjust and refine your goals. Sometimes plans need to change, and that's okay. The key is to learn, grow, and keep going. And remember, celebrate small wins. Whether it's publishing a video, reaching 100 subscribers, or sticking to your routine, every small win is a step toward success. Goal setting is more than just writing dreams. It's about taking action. Follow these steps. Define your vision, set SMART goals, break it down, track your progress, and keep adjusting. If you found value today, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos to help you achieve your goals. Comment below, what's one goal you're working on right now? This is where we inspire you to dream bigger, achieve faster, and become your best self. Let's make it happen. See you in the next video.